Good afternoon, everybody. How we doing today? Another lovely day here on the Outer Banks. We're starting this video at Walmart, Kitty Hawk. Not gonna take you guys inside because I'm sure you've been in a million Walmarts in your life. And the same, we're gonna go across the street to Five Below. And because if you've never been to a Five Below, I think they got a couple nifty things in there. Not going to take you guys inside because I'm sure you've been to a Five Below before. They're starting to pop up everywhere from what I've seen. I just wanted to give you guys a little view of the parking lot here, show you what's all in here. This Marshall's here is brand new as well. You also got the Kitty Hawk food line, as well as the brand new Rack Room shoes. They have really upgraded this shopping center over the past few years, and it really needed it, so I'm happy they did. They remodeled the parking lot. It used to be very bumpy, full of potholes. They've added a couple new stores, modern stores over here at the same time. All right, guys, we'll check back in with you when we come back out. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, I like to show daily views of the Outer Banks. All right, everybody, we're going to head back out and get on the highway. Mission accomplished. Both stores were pretty busy, Walmart and Five Below. To be expected, it is the middle of July. And one other thing that I'll mention is that it is hot as the dickens out here. I believe this is the hottest day that we've experienced so far. And we're at 96 degrees. With a 110 degree index. We're gonna head up the road here, and just into Kill Devil Hills is one of our favorite joints. We're gonna go get a bite to eat at Two Roads Tavern. I'll check back in with you when we get there. Made our way up the road here, about to cross into the Kill Devil Hills line. Somebody told me I should do a video on the brew through. I can't believe I just did that. I got the run in my mouth and I passed right by where we were supposed to go. That's always a cool thing about the Outer Banks. The way it's designed is that you can just loop around and go back the other way at any given time from either side of the highway. Alright, so we're going to try this again, guys. This right here beside Chili Peppers Grill. And here's the brew through. And then the next right, Seagate North Shopping Center. And it is located right next to another one of my favorite places, the Outer Banks Music Store, which is Jubilee. And as a sound guy and being in the music scene with DJing and all that, it is a store that we visit quite often. Two Roads Tavern, let's do this, baby. I haven't been here in a while. Started taking a bite of it before I even started the video. That's how hungry we are. Heading out of Seagate North Shopping Center. I got one more errand to run. Gotta go to the car store, replace my headlight that's out. Merging onto the highway, and like I said, we did just get into Kill Devil Hills. From the looks ahead, we might be in for a little rainstorm. And the traffic today, although light, has been pretty slow moving, which we were already expecting. It's our day off and we're enjoying it so far. I hope you are enjoying your day as well. Looks like they're almost done with the new car wash here on my right, although I'm sure you can't see it, but it's right across the street from Target over here. That's going to be White Cap Car Wash. Won't get any complaints from me about the little rain that's on the way. Cools some things off. It is really nice and toasty out here. Passing by the Wright Brothers Memorial, and we'll soon be right here at the Collington intersection. See a little bit of lightning in the sky, so I imagine it's going to start downpouring here real soon. And right up here on the right, up here next to this new Starbucks, to be at our location, right here at the Auto Zone in Kill Double Hills, Boundary Street. You can see the winds picking up. Go in here and see if we can get us a couple new headlight bulbs so we don't get pulled over and get another ticket. Alright everybody, got the job done. Got my headlights back working again. That way when I'm coming home through late at night, I don't get pulled over when I'm already tired. Another thing I don't have to deal with. I'm probably just going to take a right, because it's near impossible to make a left turn from right here. I'm just going to take a right and loop back around. We are in the heart of Kill Double Hills, as I've shown you so many times before.
It's funny because when I was on the ambulance, they called it French Fry Alley. You hear the cicadas?
Do you hear the cicadas? Although maybe I would have eventually been able to make the left turn, but hey, we're cruising, unbothered. Used to be a church right here on my right called the Dream Center. Now it's just turned into a little furniture warehouse. And as we are coming down this side street here, empty beach access right across the street. So you know where I'm gonna go real quick. I don't have a flip-flops or anything, so we're just gonna go do a quick glance right here at Baltic Street, which we've been to a few times. All right, that was a first for the channel. I actually just got pooped on as soon as I got out of my truck. A bird just pooped on my arm. Got some on my truck at the same time. Nothing like having seagull poop on you while you're going to the top deck to check out the ocean. I'm gonna stress over that. I'm not gonna be like, ew. Just gonna walk around with poop on my arm. Is what it is. Here we go. Like I said, I'm not gonna go down the ramp here. Although there's a lot of tents set up out here on the beach, I don't really see too many people hanging out. It's really hot out here. Obviously the beach access we just came to is empty, which is crazy for the middle of July. And it is currently 3:30 p.m. which would explain a lot why the roads are so busy today. Like I said, just a quick glance. If I stay out here any longer, my bald head's gonna turn into the golden ticket to get into the Willy Wonka factory. Sorry, we couldn't spend too much more time at the beach today, although I'm gonna pick up this little litter while I'm here real quick. Somebody left a whole beer box just sitting in the street here. Gotta save the turtles. Just threw it in the back of the truck real quick, and we're gonna continue our travels here on the South Virginia Dare Trail, quotations, the beach road, and we're gonna take this right and head north. All right, everybody, that was today's video. A little bit of highway, a little bit of beach road, little business, little pleasure. Hope everybody has a great rest of their day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.